interrupt your programming. This is a global emergency. Important instructions will follow. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government and the National Aeronautics and Space Administration. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. At around 9:35 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, NASA discovered that a very large asteroid, named 2084 Titus, is headed on a direct collision course with the planet. This asteroid is believed to be 20 miles wide. Once the asteroid impacts, giant megatsunamis will form, earth-trembling super-earthquakes will occur, and the sun will be blocked entirely for about 35 years. All life on Earth will soon die off and become extinct. NASA has also shared some disturbing news on this situation. NASA confirmed that there is no way to prevent this from happening, and there is no way to survive an event of this magnitude. It is recommended that you gather with loved ones in an underground shelter, and prepare for the end. Gather all personal possessions and belongings, or things that make you comfortable into one place, and await death. If you are a person of religion, pray to your higher being or beings. There is no place to escape this event. There is no reason to stay calm. Go into panic mode. Your government thanks you for your cooperation, but the end has come. This is the EAS guy, Tom, signing off for the final time. All stations will cease transmission for the final playing of our national anthem. Please stand by, as we conclude the final activation of the emergency alert system.